Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you enjoyed your holidays. Let's start our learning. Yeah. Today we are going to start a new grammar lesson. Lesson 14, Adverb Types. What do you mean by adverb? You know it. Adverb is a word that adds to a verb or an adjective and tells us how the thing is done, when it is done, where it is done. Look at the example. She wrote the letter clearly. How did she write the letter? She wrote the letter clearly. So we can see some word is adding to the verb. Which is that word? Clearly. So we can say clearly is the adverb. Got it? So adverb is a word that adds to verb or an adjective. Now we are moving to different types of adverbs. There are 6 types of adverbs. What are they? Let's see. Listen carefully.
First one, adverb of time. It answers the question when or at what time an action is done. So, adverb of time indicates time of an action in the sentence. Look at the example. Yesterday we saw a lion. When we saw a lion? Yesterday. So, here yesterday shows the adverb of time. Second one, adverb of place. It answers the question where or at what place an action is done. Adverb of place indicates place of an action in the sentence. Example, I looked for my notebook everywhere. Everywhere, that shows adverb of place. Third one, adverb of manner. It answers the question how or in what manner an action is done. Adverb of manner expresses the manner or process of an action in the sentence. Look at the example. She ran fast to save her life. Fast, that shows manner. Fourth one, adverb of degree. It answers the question how much or to what extent an action is done. Adverb of manner expresses the degree or level of an action in the sentence. Example, she is feeling very tired. Very, that shows the level of an action. Fifth one, adverb of frequency. It answers the question how often an action is done. Adverb of frequency indicates how frequently is the action performed. Example, Ravi seldom reads the Ramayana. Seldom, that shows how often. Last one, sixth one, interrogative adverb. It is used to ask question. Why, where, how and when are placed at the beginning of the question. Example, when do you wake up? When, that's the shows interrogative adverb. Now we will learn how to form adverb of manner. First way, when an adjective ends in E, we drop that E and add ly. Simple, simply. Look, that simple, that adjective ends in E. So instead of E, we add ly. Simple, simply. Gentle, gently. Second type, when an adjective ends in Y, we drop that Y, then add ILY. Heavy, that adjective ends in Y. So instead of Y, we add ILY. Heavily. Noisy, noisily. Third way, when an adjective ends in L, we want to add LY. General, that adjective ends in L. So we add ly. General, generally. Usual, usually. Now we are moving to the position of adverbs. First, adverbs of manner, place and time are placed after the verb if the verb is intransitive. Intransitive means there is no object in the sentence. If the verb is intransitive, we want to place these adverbs after the verb only. Look at the example. She screamed loudly. So after the verb, we add adverb. Okay. But if the verb is transitive, where we place adverb? If the verb is transitive, we place these adverbs after the object. Look at the example. He folded the paper neatly. After the object, we add adverb. That's the difference between these two examples. Okay. Intransitive, we add adverbs after the verb. But transitive, we placed adverb after the object. Okay. Then the third type, sometimes adverbs of time may be placed in the beginning of the sentence for emphasis. Look at the example. Now I will listen to your story. Now it shows emphasis. So sometimes in some cases we use these adverbs of time at the beginning of the sentence. Another case, in case of adverb of degree, adverb of frequency, we placed adverbs between the subject and the verb. Between the subject and the verb, we placed adverbs. Look at the example. My mother always cooked delicious food for me. So, always is the adverb used in this sentence. You can see it is used between the subject and the verb. So, in some cases, we place adverbs between the subject and the verb. Okay, these are the some positions we used in adverbs.
So I hope you understood different type of adverbs. It's very simple now. Okay. So now you want to do some exercises as a homework. On page number 56, exercise A. You want to underline the adverbs first, then pick the correct form of adverb. Okay. Do it as a homework. We shall meet again next class. Thank you, children. Bye.